Starting around 13 January 2024, Algorand really is exchanging at $0.1873 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.85% in most recent 60 minutes, most certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Algo in a real sense has a kind of all-out market cap of $1,506,136,384, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $78,202,935. This most certainly makes Algorand, Algo, by and large positioning at 51 in the cryptographic money market, or so they sort of thought. In the event that you by and large are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Algorand cost expectation end of 2024, what will Algorand generally be somewhat worth in 2024, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking? Is Algorand an all things considered, wise venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2024, which most certainly is genuinely critical? Will Algo cost essentially outperform its unsurpassed high in an unobtrusive manner? These truly are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future in an especially significant manner. Algorand, Algo, Value Expectation 2024, as per the Algorand Estimate Cost and Specialized Examination, in 2024, the Algo cost in a real sense is supposed to cross a truly normal value level of $0.2728, the normal genuinely least value worth of Algorand, toward the finish of the fundamentally current year, ought to generally be $0.2636 in a significant manner. Besides, Algo can essentially arrive at an extremely greatest value level of $0.3173, certainly further appearance how sort of is Algorand a wise venture or fundamentally worth purchasing in 2024, in an especially enormous manner. Algorand Value Expectation January 2024, the cost of Algorand sort of is truly anticipated to reach at a truly least worth of $0.1749 in January 2024, in an unpretentious way. The Algo cost could truly arrive at a kind of greatest worth of $0.1988, with the very normal exchanging worth of $0.1933 all through 2024, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Algo Value Gauge February 2024, the Algorand estimate for February 2024 expects that the Algo may explicitly arrive at an especially most extreme worth of $0.2066, with a fundamentally least cost of around $0.1918. Discussing the truly normal value, Algo can explicitly stretch around $0.2011 for February in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand Value Gauge Walk 2024, the normal cost of Algorand, Algo, could basically go to $0.2051 toward the finish of Walk 2024, which really is very critical. Algo could be exchanging around a sort of greatest worth of $0.2166, with the really least expected cost of $0.1977 in a sort of significant manner. Algo Value Estimate April 2024. With respect to April 2024, Algorand all things considered is supposed to really arrive at least value worth of $0.2018 in a very significant manner. The Algo cost could for the most part arrive at an especially greatest cost of $0.2269, with the fundamentally normal cost around $0.2092, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Algorand, Algo, Value Expectation May 2024. The cost for Algorand in May 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $0.2102 and $0.2352 in a huge manner. While the extremely normal exchanging cost ought to sort of be around $0.2175 in a very significant manner. Algorand Value Estimate June 2024. In June 2024, the in every way that really matters, greatest cost for Algorand could explicitly stretch around $0.2461, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Besides, the minimum cost of Algo in June 2024 is $0.2167, with a typical cost of $0.2241 in an extremely significant manner. Algorand, Algo, Value Expectation July 2024. The cost for Algorand in July 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $0.2238 and $0.2573. While the typical exchanging cost ought to especially be around $0.2330, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Algo Value Gauge August 2024. The Algorand conjecture for August 2024 expects that the Algo may generally arrive at a truly most extreme worth of $0.2666, with an exceptionally least cost of around $0.2350 in a very significant manner. Discussing the typical value algo can generally stretch around $0.2423 for August. Algorand, Algo, value expectation September 2024. The cost for Algorand in September 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $0.2423 and $0.2788 in an unpretentious manner. While the in every way that really matters, normal exchanging cost ought to basically be around $0.2496, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Algorand value figure October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of Algorand generally is supposed to, by and large, be at around a really least of $0.2479. Algorand cost can by and large arrive at an in every practical sense limit of $0.2912, with the truly normal cost of $0.2571 in United States dollars, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Algo value conjecture November 2024. With respect to November 2024, Algorand certainly is supposed to arrive at a fundamentally least value worth of $0.2556, which basically is genuinely critical. The algo cost could arrive at an in every practical sense greatest cost of $0.3041, with the all things considered normal cost around $0.2648, showing the way that discussing the truly normal value algo can generally stretch around $0.2423 for August in an all things considered significant way. Algorand value gauge December 2024. In December 2024, the really most extreme cost for Algorand could truly stretch around $0.3173 in a genuinely enormous manner. Besides, the minimum cost of Algo in December 2024 for the most part is $0.2636, with an especially normal cost of $0.2728, showing the way that discussing the typical value algo can generally stretch around $0.2423 for August. Algorand genuinely passed value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours. The crypto has been in every way that really matters, diminished by 6.55% in its kind of current worth in a genuinely large manner. Assuming that we in a real sense look at the especially current market cap of the algo with yesterday's, you can sort of see that the market cap really is likewise down, which explicitly shows that these are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future in an unobtrusive manner. From genuinely most recent 7 days, the algo especially was in very great vertical pattern and expanded by 0.37%, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. Algorand sort of has shown areas of strength for genuinely potential of late, and this could be great chance to dive right in and contribute, which fundamentally shows that algo value conjecture August 2024. The Algorand estimate for August 2024 expects that the algo may explicitly arrive at a most extreme worth of